In today's video, I'm going to show you how to gift a game you already own on Steam. It's a simple process and only takes a few minutes to complete perfect if you want to share your favorite games with friends. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1 is to launch the Steam app. Start by opening your Steam application. If it's not on your desktop, just search for it in your program list or by using the search bar on your PC. Once you've found it, go ahead and open the app. The second step is to sign into your Steam account. After launching Steam, look at the top right corner and click on the login button. Enter your username and password to sign in. If you've forgotten your login info, don't worry. Steam offers a recovery option to help you get back in. Step 3 is to go to the store page. Once logged in, head over to the store section. You'll find it in the top or side menu depending on your layout. This is where all the games are available for browsing and buying. Step 4 is to search for the game you want to gift. Use the search bar at the top of the store to type in the name of the game you wish to gift. Click on the game from the results to go to its dedicated store page. Step 5 is to add the game to your cart. On the games page, locate and click the Add to Cart button. Once the game is in your cart, a small notification may pop up. Click View My Cart to proceed. Next, choose Purchase as a Gift. Inside your cart, choose the option to Purchase as a Gift. Since you already own the game, Steam allows you to buy it for someone else easily. You'll then be taken to a screen where you can either choose a friend from your Steam Friends list or enter the recipient's email address. Step 7 is to personalize and send your gift. Add a short message or note if you like. It's a nice way to make your gift feel more personal. After confirming all the information is correct, complete your payment and your gift will be sent. And that's it. With just a few easy steps, you've successfully gifted a game on Steam, even one you already own. Thank you for watching this video.